how to set out of office on Webex. Now, you can't do this from the web version, so in order to do this, you will need to download the desktop app. And once you have downloaded the app, you can do it from the Microsoft Store. Once you have done this, then at the top, you will see your name. You just want to click on your name. Availability, you have options for busy, do not disturb, manage quiet hours, but we want to focus on status. Once you click on status, then these will be the options which you are naturally given, but we want to type out of office. And you can also add an emoji. If you don't like emojis and don't think they are professional, you can avoid doing that. And just like that, if we click on save, then you will see that your status is going to be out of office. And also you can set yourself as busy or do not disturb. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.